Are you tired of constantly being bombarded with notifications on your iPhone? In this video, I'll show you how to quickly and easily remove notifications from the notification center so that they don't distract or annoy you. Just make sure to watch this video until the very end to understand the tutorial properly. To get started, swipe down from the top left corner of the screen to bring up the notification center. And now you'll be able to see your notifications. So now, if you want to remove one specific notification, just swipe it all the way to the left. As you can see, that notification is no longer available for me to access and view. If you want to remove all the notifications at once, simply tap on this X button over here, and then simply tap Clear. And that will remove all the notifications from the notification center. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.